Hey everyone, Spidey Librarian here, and today I'm coming at you with an unboxing and review of two Spider-Man compression shirts I've ordered off of Amazon. And we are going to go ahead and cut her open. All right, so here are our shirts. For this one, we've got another one that is clearly inspired by the Spider-Man PlayStation 4 game. Oh, wait, no. This is not what I ordered. This is absolutely not what I ordered. I mean, I'm okay with this, but take a look. I think they may have gotten their orders mixed up. But this one appears to be from Spider-Man Far From Home. This looks like the suit that Peter creates during the final part of the movie that he creates for himself. Give me a second, and I will change off camera. Okay, so this one, I like this one. This one is very different from the other one because it doesn't have the painted in. Okay, I like this. This shirt, I think, is doing an even better job of hugging me than the previous one. Again, does not feel uncomfortable. It's breathing pretty nicely. Yeah, wow. My arms look kind of buff here. So, not gonna lie, this is a pretty nice looking shirt. I really do like the kind of Stark inspired MCU Spider-Man costume designs, and this one is kind of a favorite. Spider-Man Far From Home was a pretty good movie, and people know when this suit showed up. Like it showed up in the latter part of the movie when he goes to fight Mysterio for the final time. So this is a very nice design. I like the coloration. There's like kind of like an under, like we've got the black on the web lines, but we've also got like some gray underlining beneath it. I like it. It's very nice. This is a really nice compression shirt. And again, got this off of Amazon. I will leave a review. And if you are thinking of purchasing this shirt, please consider using my Amazon affiliate link, which you can find in the video description. If you'd like to see more reviews, check